Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device clock is accurate and you have a stable internet connection, because Google checks timestamps and server reachability. Once done, open your Google account settings and go straight to Security and Device Activity. This reveals why Google marked the account out of date. Next, open Play Store to update Google Play Services and Google App. These updates often fix token or authentication issues. Make sure you back up important data before proceeding to re-authenticate, so now you re-establish trust by re-authenticating the account. Remove the Google account from device accounts, reboot, then add it back and sign in with your password and any two-step verification codes. After signing in, go to Account Sync and force a manual sync to refresh tokens and data. If apps still report out of date, clear cache and storage for Google Play Services and the Google app, then repeat sign-in. This refreshes credentials and often resolves expired token issues without deeper changes. Complete the process by updating your device OS and any security or management profiles that may block account changes. Outdated device software can cause Google to flag accounts. If sign-in still fails, use Google Account Recovery and follow the guided prompts to regain access, because recovery can refresh account status server-side. Make sure enterprise or parental management isn't enforcing old policies. If all else fails, a factory reset resolves deep configuration conflicts. Use it only after backing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.